Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get fruits such as bananas, prickly pear, I think that's what it's called, and bell peppers and whatnot. So you're going to go to Grow a Garden. As you can see, there is a traveling merchant right now, and it is called the Summer Seed Shop. You are just going to go to Georgia. Okay, sorry, I had to. And then I'm going to delete this video now. And then I'm going to select open here. It arrives like every 4 hours. It doesn't have to be the summer's seed shop, but you're just going to select open here and see what's in stock. So right now it's prickly pear seed, bell pepper, which I don't have, pineapple. I have one, but that's like even not enough. Roughly, I don't know how to pronounce this. I just know how to pronounce it in my like language. Rafflesia. That's how it's pronounced. And cauliflower. I already have this, and I don't have kiwi yet actually. Do I have loquat? I think I do. I don't know how to pronounce this. I have pitcher plant as well. So I just need kiwi, I think, from this. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can get those summer seeds. Again, it's rare. Just have the notifier on. It is very helpful to have it on, to be honest, because I just don't want to check every time there's a merchant here and it's not the summer seed shop, and that's like the only shop that I need. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you can get those seeds. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.